So I'm with Ethan Johnson, had just completed our 3-day Detail Czar authorized licensee training program. Um, Today was our final day. It was the interior detailing training and headlight restoration. And yesterday was paint correction, paint polishing, and ceramic coating application. So what do you think, man? I mean, we worked some long hours both days, 8:30 to 5 or later. Yesterday, I think we didn't get out of here until 6.
Yep.
What do you think of the training, man?
It was great. It was going to be better. Very hands-on, more than informative. You learn all the little things that you never thought even existed. And after this, I can go home and I feel 100% confident to put on a ceramic coating or do some paint correction or detailing or whatever it is. This class is great, and
Excellent.
Nick is great, and his trainers are all very great too.
Pierce did a great job. Chris did a great job. So you're more confident now that you can really go out and do some serious sales.
100%.
Yeah,
100%.
and
You learn
really
everything you need to know.
start growing your business because you now are a Detail Czar certified detailer licensee. Congratulations again.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Appreciate it.